Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, I welcome you again to your English class. And today we'll start chapter number 4, that is adjectives. Okay, and I'll explain this chapter in different parts. And this is part 1 of this chapter, in which we'll discuss about meaning of adjectives and position of adjectives. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, let's understand the meaning of adjectives. Adjectives are words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. In simple words, adjectives are describing words. Okay? For example, look at this sentence. He is carrying a box. So now here, box is a noun. Okay? And if we want to give more information about this box, then we can say that he is carrying a big box. So here, the word big is an adjective that is describing the noun box. Okay. For example, look at these sentences. It is a big house. He's an honest boy. She's a beautiful girl. So here the words big, honest, and beautiful. These are adjectives which are describing the nouns house, boy, and girl. Okay. Now let's discuss about the position of adjectives. So the first position of adjective is we use adjectives before a noun. Okay, and when we use adjective before a noun, it is attributive in nature. For example, there is a small dog in the garden. I have a beautiful dress. So here the adjectives small and beautiful comes before the noun. Okay, so they are attributive in nature, right? Now the second position of adjectives is that we use adjectives after the link verbs, and when we use adjectives after the link verbs, they are predicative in nature. Okay, and the common link verbs are appear, become, feel, get, look, seem, smell, taste, and be. And the various forms of the verb be are is, am, are, was, were, been, and being. Okay. For example, this book is old. She is feeling cold. The rose smells nice. So here, as you can see that in the first sentence, the adjective old is used after the link verb is. Okay, and it is used to describe the noun book. In the same way, in the second sentence, the adjective cold is used after the link verb feel. Okay, and in the third sentence, the adjective nice is used after the link verb smell. Okay. Now the one important thing to note here is that most adjectives can be both attributive and predicative, whereas certain adjectives, however, can only be used predicatively. For example, it was a beautiful play. The play was beautiful. So here we have used the adjective beautiful attributively as well as predicatively. Okay, means in sentence number 1 we have used the adjective beautiful attributively, means we have used the adjective before the noun play, so that's why it's attributive in nature. Whereas in the second sentence we have used the adjective beautiful predicatively because it is used after the verb was, right? Now look at these two sentences. She is afraid. She is an afraid person. So here the sentence number 2 is incorrect because we never use the adjective afraid attributively. We always use it predicatively. We always use it after the verb. Okay? Let's take one more example. The girl is awake. The awake girl is crying. So here, which sentence is wrong? This sentence number 2 is wrong because we never use the adjective awake attributively. We always use it predicatively. We always use it after the verb. Okay. So some other adjectives which are always used predicatively or after a linked verb are alone, ashamed, asleep, eager, and fond. Now there are also a number of adjectives which are always used attributively. Okay, like she's a mere girl. The former captain of the team was also there. This is the main event. So here the adjectives mere, former and main, these are always used attributively. We never use them predicatively. Okay, so this was all about the position of adjectives. Okay, and I hope you have understood everything. So let's do one exercise to understand it in a better way. So this is the exercise given in your book on page number 155. Here you have to underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Draw an arrow to the noun each adjective describes. You have been given one example. So one example is also given here. Look at the example. The squeaky door swung open. So here, which is an adjective? The word squeaky is an adjective and it is describing the noun door. Alright. Okay, do you know the meaning of the word squeaky? Squeaky means making high pitched sound. So squeaky door is the door that makes a high pitched sound when it is opened or closed. Okay. So now look at the sentence A. My hair is clean. So which is an adjective here? The word clean is an adjective and it is describing the noun hair. Okay. So we will put an arrow like this. And here the adjective clean is used predicatively because it is used after the verb is. Okay. Now look at the next sentence. He stared at the purple plants. So here the word purple is an adjective which is describing the noun plants. Okay. So we will draw an arrow like this. Okay. And here the adjective purple is used attributively because it is used before the noun plants. Now look at the next sentence. Eagles are beautiful. So here the word beautiful is an adjective that is describing the noun eagles. And here the adjective beautiful is used predicatively because it is used after the verb are. Look at the next sentence now. Nick's bicycle is rusty. So here the word rusty is an adjective which is describing the noun bicycle. And here also the adjective rusty is used predicatively because it is used after the verb is. Now look at the last sentence. A giant spider crawled by on its furry legs. So here there are two adjectives. First one is giant and the second one is furry. The adjective giant is describing the noun spider and the adjective furry is describing the noun legs. And both are used attributively because both are used before the nouns legs and spider. Okay, so this is all about the meaning and position of adjectives, and I hope you have understood everything. And if you have any doubt, any query or any question, do let me know through the comment section below. Okay, and we'll continue with this chapter in our next video, in which we'll discuss about kinds of adjectives. Okay, and we'll discuss the first kind of adjective, that is adjectives of quality. So till then, take care all of you, stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you so much for watching.